We are going to create a picture collage on slide 1, which will make our presentations unique over others. We're going to browse for where the pictures are saved, which is going to be in the slide 1 folder. Click on the first picture and we're going to insert it onto our slide. It puts the picture in the middle. We're going to move it to the upper left corner of the slide. Right click on the picture. Click on size and position. Now we want to set these dimensions to be exactly what we want. So we're going to uncheck mark lock aspect ratio so we can make this picture and all our pictures 5x5 dimensions. Now there's our picture at a 5x5 dimension. Click on the Home tab, the Select command, and click on Selections pane. Now remember, we made note of the file name before we inserted it, which was Dell 2048. We're going to use every picture specifically, so we need to name them as they're named in the folder. So we're going to click on Insert Picture again. This is called Best Gaming PC. You don't have to type in the entire file name, just something to remind you of what the picture is called. So it's not called Picture 1, Picture 8, Picture 9, Picture 499. You know, those names are going to mean anything. But if you give it a name similar to the one that it's named in the folder, it will help you to deal with the exact pictures as we need to. Now we want to overlap the pictures slightly. So we're going to name this Best Gaming PC. Okay, like I said, you don't have to name them exactly like they are in the folder, but we want to deal with them on an individual basis. We need to name them. Insert, Picture, and overlap the pictures slightly. Dell Inspiron 22-3000. We're going to now that the size and dimensions aren't there, so we're going to go to the Size and Properties option of Format Picture. We click on it, and there are the dimensions. Okay, this picture, luckily for us, was already 5x5, so we don't need to change it. I'm just changing it just because I'm in the groove of changing the dimensions. But on that one, and only that one, comes up 5x5, so that's the only one that we won't have to change. So we named that picture, and now you're going to go and you're going to insert all 15 pictures onto the slide and arrange them so they will be arranged on the slide in a collage type format. Each picture will overlap slightly with another. I arranged mine in rows and columns and kind of stacked them one on top of another. You will do the same thing and making sure you name all the pictures. Now, I'm going to use my selection pane to click on each picture. And there they are. There are all my pictures. The pictures that went in first are at the bottom, and they're at the bottom of our stack. And then as we click up, you see that each picture is 5x5, and there are 15 pictures. So I'm just clicking on the pictures sporadically to show you that they do have the 5x5 dimensions. We'll pan over there in a second, and you can kind of see the arrangement I made to my collage. Your arrangement doesn't have to exactly match mine. Okay, later you're going to see the full effect of this collage. Right now, it's just going to look like a bunch of pictures stacked one on top of another, and that's fine.